Imagine a high-floor, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in the sky.
Imagine an amenity-filled building with 24-hour doorman, concierge, an in-house valet and tailor, a top-of-the-line fitness center, a garage, an outdoor playground, and a landscape roof deck with panoramic views.
Imagine a pied-à-terre and pet-friendly cooperative.
Come on in and take a look at this high-floor, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home at Mayfair Tower. Can you imagine waking up to views like this?
These views would inspire even me to do dishes.
Amelia, I love the fact that there's room for morning coffee at a table in the kitchen.
Imagine that. I love the views.
I'll work from home with views like this.
Andrew, I think I can imagine it. It's all right here.
Mayfair Towers at 15 West 72nd Street really is the location that can't be beat. With Central Park almost at your doorstep and all the best the Upper West Side has to offer, and just a few blocks to Trader Joe's, Fairway, and Cinderella. Wake up to a world of color. I'm Andrew Phillips.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz.
And we're at Brown Harris Stevens.